Hi, I'm Mike Elliott, and you're watching the CEO Live Investor Update Series. Today, we're joined again by Dr. Carl Schwartz. He's CEO of Precision Therapeutics, a company focused on applying artificial intelligence to personalized medicine and drug discovery, which trades on the NASDAQ under ticker AIPT. Good morning, Dr. Schwartz. Welcome back.
Morning, Mike. Nice to see you again.
You recently announced that on July 11th this year, the European Patent Office granted you a European patent covering the company's Streamway system for automated direct-to-drain medical fluid disposal, which is sold through the Skyline Medical Division. Tell us more about this patent and why it's so important for the company.
Oh, it is important because we just received patent protection in 38 European countries, which cover multiple claims and block anyone from attempting to develop an automatic direct-to-drain management system in that part of the world. We're very happy about that. And in addition, layered right on top of that would be we're developing a well-trained organization, sales organization that's moving along steadily. In addition to Europe, where we have offices in Belgium, we have distributors in Canada, Australia, and we're moving into South America, country by country. And we're expanding our domestic sales force to achieve greater penetration. It's a big country, and we just need more people out there. And then right along with that is that we're steadily developing our equipment to do even a better job. And it'll be smaller, quieter, more efficient, more versatile. Remember, we're the only direct-to-drain system for removing fluids from the patient with unlimited capacity. And one last thing I'll add to this is we expect to have a generation. This is generation 2 that's out in the market now. We expect to have generation 3 later this year, which will be quite an advancement over generation 2. So we're moving strongly in this area.
And in another recent interview, you discussed how Precision Therapeutics has become a leader in personalized treatments for cancer, both through its own efforts and through its recent merger with Helomics. Can you tell us what sets you apart in this arena and how the Helomics merger fits into the bigger picture?
Sure. Well, Precision Therapeutics, we've signed a definitive merger now with Helomics since we last spoke. And Helomics is a leader in the artificial intelligence field. And also, in addition to that, we formed a wholly owned subsidiary called Tumor Genesis. A little bit about Helomics, so I think your audience will understand who they are. They have a growing inventory of over 150,000 patient tumors, including each tumor's unique drug response profile, and it is in the forefront of personalized medicine. What happens is that Helomics gets these tumors, and they're received from physicians and hospitals, and then it tests them with products they have on hand from pharma, and then using its D-chip proprietary platform, and then it develops a response profile, which is unique to the patient's tumor, and then offers a precise approach to the physician or the hospital to implement this program. So it's quite an interesting departure from what's happened in the past. And one a little sidebar to that is that I don't know if you know about this, but the president signed into law a right to try program, which basically says that patients that are terminally ill can take advantage of experimental drugs as a last-ditch effort, which is a long time coming and should have happened a long time ago. But it is there now. And we're uniquely positioned to work with that because we can take, again, that patient's tumor outside the body, test untested products that we have to see what works, and then see if we can't help the patient without unduly harming them in the process. So we're really excited about that. And so I think that will be a big thing for us, and we should put us on the forefront. And also, additionally, we formed a wholly owned subsidiary called Tumor Genesis, which basically is developing a lab substrate which mimics the condition of the body and pulls the tumor into thinking it's still in the body. Up until now, it's mainly been done with lab mice and rats, and the results have been poor, and it fails to really help the patient. Although we certainly have saved a lot of mice in the process. So this new tumor genesis material will be cheaper and more effective, and coupled with helomics, it should give us even more precise and exact results. So this is really, I think, very important stuff for the market to know. This company is really moving along.
Well, and there are some cutting edge treatments and interesting areas that medicine is moving into with artificial intelligence and of course with genetically specific or personalized medicine and treatments. And as you talked about, I guess being able to take the tumor out and test drugs on it outside the patient, but in a genetically similar environment, so you can kind of personalize the treatment to those particular patients. I mean, the problem with medicine now is it's all targeted towards a general population or age group and based on common physical characteristics. But if they can really dial it in to where it's specifically targeted at each individual's unique biology, then it's obviously going to be more effective and with less side effects. And that seems to be the direction everything's moving in. So certainly, if as you guys are obviously experimenting and heading into this arena, that's where the future of medicine lies. As a non-physician, non-expert, but investor who's done some of their own research myself, I think that is the case anyway.
Absolutely. There's AI is an all-encompassing term, mm-hmm. and there's tens of billions of bits of information under artificial intelligence. That's not the real problem. The problem is, what of this information is actionable? What can you do with it? And that's where the whole area is moving toward, that getting information that is actionable. And we feel we're right there on the cutting edge of that particular aspect of it. Because again, with information that can't be used, it's of no value. So we're right there.
Well, it certainly is interesting stuff. It's and it is where the market's heading. So you guys are right there on the cutting edge, leading edge of modern medicine. So a great story for investors to take a deeper look at. That's all the questions we had for today, Dr. Schwartz. Anything else you'd like investors to know right now?
I would just tell them to expect in the near future a number of initiatives and joint ventures and licensing agreements we expect to be moving along with as we advance AIPT in the field of precision medicine. So we're looking forward to a fun time, and everybody should be keeping an eye on us.
Well, Dr. Schwartz, as always, a pleasure to have you on the show. Thank you again for your time, and we hope to catch up with you again soon.
Thank you very much. Appreciate it, Mike.
Thank you. Take care. We've been talking again to Dr. Carl Schwartz. He's the CEO of Precision Therapeutics, a company focused on applying artificial intelligence to personalize medicine and drug discovery, which trades in the NASDAQ under ticker AIPT. Thank you for watching CEO Live TV.